Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the fascinating world of research. Research is an organized study or systematic gathering of information about a specific topic, aimed at finding solutions to problems and enhancing knowledge. It is a systematic, logical, and unbiased process that involves the verification of hypotheses, data analysis, interpretation, and the formulation of principles. Let's delve deeper into the features and objectives of research. Research possesses several key features. Firstly, it is grounded in theories and existing knowledge, building upon the foundations laid by previous studies. Secondly, it aims to be unbiased and objective, ensuring that the findings are not influenced by personal opinions or prejudices. Usability is another important feature, as research should provide practical and applicable insights that can be utilized to solve real-world problems. Generalization allows the findings to be applied to a wider population or context. Validity ensures that the correct procedures are followed to obtain accurate and reliable results. Reliability refers to the quality, repeatability, and accuracy of the research process. Research is empirical, meaning it is based on facts and evidence rather than speculation. Lastly, research is critical in nature, encouraging the questioning and challenging of existing knowledge and assumptions. The objectives of research are diverse and driven by the specific needs of the study. Research helps us analyze specific problems in order to gain a deeper understanding of their nature and underlying causes. It aims to verify facts and information, ensuring that the knowledge we possess is accurate and reliable. Research also involves testing hypotheses, which allows us to explore and evaluate potential explanations or predictions. Lastly, research aims to find remedies and solutions for problems, providing valuable insights and recommendations for improvement. At its core, research is an intellectual endeavor that strives towards the pursuit of truth. By employing systematic and rigorous methodologies, researchers contribute to the expansion of knowledge and understanding in their respective fields. And that concludes our exploration of research, its features, and objectives. Research plays a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the world and finding practical solutions to complex problems. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.